Hi friends, I have received my green screen today. I ordered this from Amazon and it arrived today. I'm going to unpack this green screen with you guys. The beauty of this screen is it has two colors. One side is blue and the other side is green. So we have two options with this screen. The price of this screen is 57 Canadian dollars. How to use this? Click on this video to see the function of this screen. To fold this screen is kind of tricky, and there's no instruction with this screen how to fold this. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to fold this screen because there are no instructions. Today I'm going to show you the easy method of folding this screen. I call this method of folding a screen a taco method. You have to make it like a taco, the giant taco, and then fold it like that. It naturally folds itself. You might be struggling to fold this, but it's not that difficult. Just like that. I'm going to repeat one more time. So again, another time, we have to make a giant taco, like hold both sides and join them like that. Put one side on the floor and move it down, and it will naturally fold itself in its own shape, and it's gonna fit back in the bag again. Let's do it third time. See how nicely it has been folded. We're gonna do it one more time. We have to fold it and both sides together in one hand, and put one side on the floor, the other one with the hand. Just move it in the circle and it naturally folds itself, and it's gonna fit back in its own bag and same size. It's easy. See how quick I have folded this time. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe to channel. For more videos, please subscribe the channel and click the bell button so that you will receive the notification for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.